In this module, I'm going to be covering the topic of colligative properties. Before we can go into some of these properties, there's two really important terms that we need to know. If we were to take a beaker and we were to pour water into this beaker, water would be our solvent. This is what dissolves other things. So whenever we have a beaker, the liquid that is in that beaker that is taking up the majority of that beaker is the solvent. The other term I wanted to go over is a solute. So a solute, we could think of as a pinch of salt or something along those lines, is something that we dissolve into the solvent. So the solvent dissolves it. The solute is what you're putting into the solvent. There'll be way less solute than solvent. Solvent is going to make up the majority of this beaker. So we will dissolve this solute in, and now we'll have some solute in this beaker getting dissolved into the solvent. And the reason I want to go over these two terms, I'm going to be using them a lot when I go over some of the colligative properties. So what colligative properties are the changes that happen to a solvent when you dissolve a solute into it. So in the next upcoming videos, I'm going to be going over what happens when you dissolve a solute into a solvent.